some motivational music. I need some motivation. Some good music. Compound music. Wait, I'll play it.
Introducing your champion.
Marvelous. So many willing test
Fuck,
subjects.
Wait.
Alright, hope you're ready. Let's do this, brothers.
Wait. Look. Fuck, where are we going? One shot. It's an opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted. One moment. Would you capture it? Or just let it slip? Yo, palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, there's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking now.
I don't have any weapon. I need a weapon.
But not back to reality. Oh, the ghost gravity. Oh, the ghost gravity. He jokes, he's so mad that he won't give up. That is, you know, he won't have it. He knows. Oh, he's killed. Man. Oh, with playing with music makes me so strong, man. Unbelievable.
I need a weapon.
I don't see the problem. Oh, coming. How many are there?
I'm taking a shot. Just
One shot.
Fix it.
I'm fucking Gibraltar.
Nee.
What the fuck? Team on top. You see my HP? My HP is amazing. I landed on another team.
I search a weapon. I got one. Einer knocked.
Hey, yo, Harry, you watching? You watching this? Where's he at? Alright, here.
Fuck out there. That's hot fuck.
Watch this, my friend.
Revive bei mir.
Fuck.
Fix du. Kannst du ihm mal sagen, wie er so Stream-Einstellungen machen? Man hört ihn, glaube ich, nicht einmal.
I almost did a 360 no-scope. Welche Stream-Einstellungen?
Dass sein Sound übertragen wird vor Party.
Wo stellt man das schon wieder in? Auf der Party selber. Yo, Harry! Go to your party settings. Yo, Harry! Cause I said so. Go to your party settings. Then you can hit allow your voice to be shared. Second from the bottom. Not then always allow. Can you set that? No, just don't ask questions. Just do it!
Just do it, please.
Where is it for?
It's for streaming. When someone of us is streaming, then we hear your voice.
Okay, someone's streaming right now then.
Yeah, not me.
The worst player ever.
Oh, you're streaming on YouTube.
Yes.
Oh, did you set your did you set it? Always allow?
No, not always, just for this party.
No, just
Oh, come on, do it always, please.
And I will always love
fuck you.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
I see what you did there.
You touch my tongue.
Oh, don't touch my tra-la-la.
Ding ding dong.
My ding ding dong.
You
Don't
touch my
touch my
tra-la-la.
tra-la-la.
Ding ding dong.
My ding ding dong. And I love you boys.
Okay.
Deine alte Chillen komme ich zu dir, ich kann mich verleihen, ich kann vorbei, denn ich hab doch. Ich hab doch. Harry?
What's up?
I thought you weren't playing any black people.
No, I have to. It's a daily challenge.
I'm
Oh,
a bit disappointed.
I'm proud.
Thanks.
I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't mean to hurt you.
Supply ship over there.
Didn't mean to make you cry.
But there are like
tonight.
6,000 beer gamings. Which one is yours? Oh,
I'm cleaning out my closet. Hey, look at this. No.
Was?
Oh, I'm following
6,000? Was? 6,000 Buyer Gaming?
Shalala, shalala, het gaat niet uit, Mo.
Oh,
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you.
oh.
I need some
Oh
help.
my god.
Okay, see ya, bitch.
I'm dead.
Move.
I'm dead and gone.
Flippy, come to me.
Dead and gone.
I have to heal. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I can heal.
Below me
I
is
can,
another one.
but I can give you my.
And in front of me,
health
guys.
one.
Hell. Two below me.
In front of
Where is he?
inside.
Inside the house.
We need to knock. Hey, where are you going, man?
There's a revive.
Okay.
Oh, that's right.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I have to go.
Keep running.
Nice grab, bro.
Where's-
Making the best music. DJ Khaled.
Keep eyes on the new kill leader.
Yeah, they're in there.
Why aren't they coming out? There he is.
Do you got one? What the hell?
Yeah, we should go in. I think. I think he's reviving. Oh, he's
He's
standing
right
left.
behind the door, right behind the door.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What was that? Where's your banner?
Grab my banner,
Where's
please.
it? Where is
Oh,
it?
let's go.
You got it?
Fucking close.
I didn't saw your banner. I didn't know
Oh,
what it
you're a
was.
fucking retard, man. It was right on you.
I didn't saw it.
Sure.
I swear. I'll revive you. Hold on.
So
That's
bad,
right, I
dude.
just saw it,
So
man.
bad.
Maybe I don't want to be revived.
Go fuck yourself then.
Maybe I don't want to play this game.
Maybe you are gay.
Yeah, maybe I am.
Yeah, I know.
I
Maybe.
don't want to find out.
Lul.
Pass me that sugar. Yeah, it's a weapon for you.
Okay.
Body shield here. Level 1.
Oh shit! On me, fuck.
I don't want to jump down. No, I want to stay in the ship. Oh, the fuck.
Where are they?
He fucking lasered
Right
me.
on me. Wow, you're so good.
They are.
Yeah, this sucks.
the best around. Hello there.
Hello.
Hello there.
The day I'm inside the ring.
Go go Power Rangers. Oh wait, I shouldn't do that.
I wanna be the very best, but no one ever was. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh yeah, buff? Oh.
No. Oh. Sneaky, sneaky.
Wait a minute. Who are you? Yeah. Oh, fuck. I can't get sleepy anymore, can I?
Dude.
Where's my car? That
Can you
probably
get me
still
though?
can't. I don't know.
Oh, not.
Oh, he's right behind me. I heard him.
Oh.
Yeah. What the fuck is he shooting with? Fuck is
Oh,
a
that's the
weapon?
All-Star. That's the All-Star.
Is it? More
And that's the
ma.
longbow. Just need to dodge one more shot. Oh, you're...
Nice.
No, don't.
He scared me. Well, that guy scared me.
Fucking devotion.
Was it a devotion?
Yeah, it was a devotion.
He was lasering me with a weapon, man. Holy shit.
No, one got the All-Star.
Oh, it was an all-star guy.
Yeah.
Oh, you scared the hell out of me there. I thought I lost him.
No.
Where is that? Oh, Johnny English? No.
No, why are you picking my main?
Oh, go fuck yourself.
Gibraltar's my main.
Oh, fuck yourself.
Oh. Okay, that didn't
I'll
sound
be
really good.
your lifeline tonight. Oh, look at that batch, man. Wow.
So guys, do you started watching the stream?
I'm not.
Shoot first.
I travel night.
We got 4 viewers.
It's wrong.
No, let's go, Skull.
Skull.
Skull, let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Stay, what you gonna say?
Get a face.
Not girls like that, but just like me. It's hard to come back. With the tongue.
And the phone, I lost the sense. Give me more. Now
And here I am. Starships are meant to fly. And touch.
That's actually so fucking obvious.
It's like fucking 4 teams right on me. Literally, like.
I need a weapon, guys. I need
Yeah,
a...
I'm gonna die 100%.
No.
This game is so bullshit. I'm running away.
Guys, I'm dead. I'm not.
You're the best around.
Oh no. Oh fuck, this grappler. Oh, come on.
On this field, you gotta be prepared for anything.
Oh, this was so bad. Yo. What are you
Gotcha,
doing?
homie.
I'm shadow boxing, warming
Yeah.
up for the big fight. No.
Hast du keine Waffe?
No. Oh, the triple K is very good. Okay, where are you at, man?
Let's go.
Gotcha!
Can I get some help? Oh! Hello there.
Hello there.
Ah.
Yeah.
What? What?
Where the fuck is the
You're the
lifeline?
best.
I'm not.
Is the headshot gezien?
Bro, I can't find the lifeline I knocked.
Ik loop
I
links
don't
van
hear.
hier.
Oh, let's grab our teammate.
Let's grab our hoe. Oh, get to me, banana, on me. Go for it. Banana,
Two
on
guys
me.
on banana.
Oh.
I'm juking them. Come.
Oh
No.
man. Man, oh man.
Oh!
What the fuck?
What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding. Oh, the fuck, I'm getting shot.
Yeah, me
Bad,
too.
bad.
I'm like,
Ah, there's a guy too here. Ah, no. Everywhere, people. Go away. Oh, no.
how did he know that little son of a bitch?
No way. 90 damage without a weapon.
Okay. Now I'll play for real. Now I'll be...
I'll be your motherfucker tonight.
I'll be your Octane tonight.
Yeah. I'll be a bitch tonight.
Oh, nice. No, you're caustic, man.
Get 5 headshots as Bloodhound, alright.
I am Bloodhound.
Bloodhound. You got bamboozled.
Go bam 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 bam. Fool him!
Hello there. I'm playing the house.
He looks like a beaver. Caustic.
Fuck.
Let's have fun, friend.
I am Blood Hunter.
Introducing your champion.
Blood Hunter.
Oh, kill the kid. 1, 2, 2,
What the fuck? How can she have 148 wins?
Okay. You wanna go skull again?
In this area yields
No,
a
I
high
wanna do
probability
that.
for success.
The fuck? I'm dropping solo then.
Alright.
Got him! Look at it, dude.
I'm dying solo. Uh-oh. I'll take a left side.
Oh, this was too late.
Straight below. I need a throw.
G7 on me.
Boom! Oh, nice.
Nice. Got him! Oh, blue body.
Ooh, knockdown shield. Level 1.
Yeah, fuck yourself.
And you select fire.
Oh, Art 301 here. And a peacekeeper. Fuck you and your grapple.
Okay.
Okay.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Yo, how you wanna
Oh.
play peacekeeper?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Let's go to the shots. Odds. Let's go get away.
Oh, der hat weh, Alter. Der ist so schlecht gewesen. Jetzt hast du gesagt, du willst schlägeln.
Yes, I'm coming.
Let's go.
Come on, Harry. Hurry up.
Where?
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Where?
Hydro Dam.
Where's that bolt? Shotgun bolt.
It's on the shotgun. Where I dropped all my shit.
Oh yeah. That's
No, now they're shooting on the
on
other
me.
side. Oh,
Inside this house. He was fucking waiting in the corner. Knocked one.
I saw it.
Gotcha, homie!
Wait, what?
The shot. It's
I
too
want my
late.
finish.
Yeah, you probably need to make a walk finishing you.
What?
Oh.
Oh, I missed all my shots. I
Don't
My way,
got...
homie.
Oh, the fuck? I missed all my shit. Oh, I'm Phoenixing you.
Got one. Easy.
No, wait for me. I want to get the
Okay.
other first one. Oh yeah, thanks.
The other one got me.
Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh,
The
you
fuck?
fucker.
Huh? That was awkward.
That box here.
Oh, it was another team. It was another team, boys.
Oh,
That's
fuck.
why. Yeah, because I was safe, and then I wasn't.
What? Our squad plays changed from 14 to 16.
Let's do this.
One more time.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let's start another round and kill them more. So wake me up when it's all over.
When I'm wiser and I'm older.
All this time I'm feeling myself tonight.
They know I was lost.
With its help, we will too.
Time to win.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Why did my DualShock 4 controller disconnect?
Introducing your champion.
I am Bull.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will guide us to victory below.
Okay,
Yeah, let's go
guys.
there.
Okay.
Landing in this area yields a high probability for success. This landing area will prove beneficial.
Okay.
The beach, each that could get away.
There's a jump tower over there.
No fucking way. Is there?
Jump tower over there. There's a jump tower over there.
You know what? Oh, enemies inside.
Yes.
No.
Nice. Guys, I die again.
No. No, homie.
She's in my guts! Stay in my guts! Got him!
Got you. Gotcha, homie.
Harry,
Yeah.
Whoopsie doopsie.
come back.
Come in. Don't worry, I gotcha. Gotcha, homie.
Got you!
Just need a weapon. Hold up. Okay.
I got one with my fists. I like fisting. What?
Or should I take that? No. Oh, I should take that. Alright, let's go. Go, go, Power Rangers.
Fuck him up. Fuck, you're on the other side. Ooh.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Harry's coming. Ooh.
My God, what was that now? Wait, you saw that, right? That was a hit, for sure.
No, that wasn't.
It wasn't.
No, that was.
No, it wasn't.
That was further away.
Watching the stream.
I hate shotguns.
Also, ich mache noch eine Runde, wenn es scheiße läuft, bin ich weg.
Why?
Weil ich keinen Bock mehr habe. Und die Nacht 3 Stunden geschlafen.
Are you going offline after this one?
No.
Only if you play bad as fuck.
Okay, so he's not going offline because we're not bad. We're the best around.
Faith will be on our side for life, Arthur.
Fix, hast du eigentlich eine Playlist auf Spotify oder so?
Nein.
Schade.
Also ja schon eine, aber er hat mit meiner Musik.
Ich muss die ganzen Liedli mal lernen.
Aha.
Die
Nein,
gan-
die habe ich keine Playlist.
Schade. Hey, die ganzen verfickten Liedli, weißt du, ich kenne jedes. Aber Mensch, ich habe den Text.
Let's go to the beach. Get away. Ah, Papa, will be proud of me. Papa.
Sorry, Mama. Okay, this round I'm feeling it, boys.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go bunker! Bunker, please. I wanna gas some
Okay.
people. Please. Yeah, we're going bunker, boys. Because we're the bunker boys. And we're not going pit. Because we're so sick.
Oh shit.
Fuck you. Wow, so many people are
Fuck
here.
you, Harry.
Wow, such a good fight.
Oh, there's blue body.
Nice.
Body on me.
Nice. Offen, Garten, hinter dir, Sven. Fuck you.
Nice try. Nice try.
Oh, robot. I hear a purple robot.
Yeah, me too. I'm going to get it.
No, go away, you bitch. What was it?
Yeah, who knows?
I know it was a knockdown shield. You can use that, you little bitch.
No, bull backpack.
We are inside the next ring.
Nope. Nope, it's purple. You don't even have a backpack. Little cucaracha.
Placing gas trap.
Wow, this round's going so good. I think we're gonna play another one after these. Ooh, have one.
Havoc here.
Oh, there was a turbocharger back there.
I've got a
Ooh.
skull. I've got a skull piercer.
Let's go, guys.
Helmet here. Level 4.
All I wanted.
I can use that.
Are you gonna give it to me though?
Go fuck yourself.
Okay.
Shots on the runoff, guys.
Again?
Extended light.
Or on the pit. Lord.
In the pit? Okay, let's go back.
Let's go to the pit, let's get away.
Get away. No, it's in runoff. Definitely in runoff.
I'm not sure.
Take the
I'm sure.
Okay. Yeah, it was.
No, it's in. Yeah.
New kill leader.
Because I'm the best around. Let's chase him. Run.
The champion waved and found something.
Where did he go? Right there?
Yes.
There did he go? Oh, he grappled away.
Placing gas
I believe I
Yeah,
can.
another one in front of you.
Whoa!
One
Oh,
knock.
watchdogs everywhere.
Yeah, guys.
I
I know.
Gotcha, homie.
Throwing thermite.
Oh my fucking god.
Yes, I know. On top, on
he's
top.
up there. Oops, I'm running.
Just running.
Yeah, gas traps.
Charging shields.
Oh, he's reviving that little bitch.
Yeah. He revived me here. There we go.
Got one.
Down to subject. Gas trap deployed.
Revive one of us.
I'm healing.
Revive,
coming,
Revive
right?
one of
dude.
us. Revive
coming.
one of us. No one is coming.
Revive,
Revive one of
dude.
us. Okay, I'll get sleepy. You can defend. Ah, fucking god.
You're a nice guy.
I will assist you.
And he's dead.
He's one.
Yeah,
Banana's
you're
dead.
cool.
I'm coming back and healing.
Healing myself. Healing my wounds.
I can do anything I want in this wonderful life.
Wait. I'm gonna use my ult. I'm gonna fuck them all. You ready? You ready to rumble? Let's go.
He's one.
I got him.
Got you. Oh, you little bitch!
I got both.
You little bitch! Who was that?
Oh, I just used my ult.
No, really? The fuck, Sven, wie viel Schaden hast du denn gemacht?
Beide, ich hab beide genommen.
Nein, was? Alter, wie viel Schaden hast du jetzt gemacht?
Ich hab's nicht gesagt. Aber es fürcht's
Little
nicht.
cucaracha. Little cucaracha.
Beast of the hunt. Oh, enemies on me.
On me, and they're like 100 meters far away. Nice.
On me.
No, again?
Placing gas trap.
Oh, I know where he is now.
Oh, and the loon.
Oh, blue. Oh, yeah.
I tried. Oh, he's making a backflip.
Fuck, where's he going?
She makes backflips and backflips.
Oh, he's right there,
Yeah, I saw him.
The fuck, best ult ever.
Let me see where he's going. He's going to suicide.
Oh,
He's going in his own
yeah,
ult.
he makes suicide. Who was one?
Suicide bomber!
Oh, he's from ISIS.
How nice is this?
ISIS, yeah. It must be. An ISIS soldier.
Well, I think he didn't die, right? Oh yeah, he's inside here.
Hey, I heard more. Oh.
Yo,
He dead. It was a lifeline though.
what?
Back fast heal!
Nice.
We destroyed the kill leader. All good.
You destroyed the
Yeah,
kill
no,
leader, dude.
I took him out.
Weed.
I
Just
did.
me, you fucking moron.
No, I do it, I
It's
did.
we. Well, I won't revive you anymore.
Well, I revived you before, right?
Kill leader. Palantir must confess. It's what I long for.
Oh. Oh, longbow on me.
Longbow DMR. Oh, backpack level 2.
I don't need it.
Blah,
'Cause I have
blah,
a-
blah, blah, blah.
Oh, there's an ult somewhere around there.
Search right here.
Let's go, boys.
Maybe it's a suicide bomber.
Let's go to the beach. Eat. Let's
Let's
get
save
away.
the other people from him.
Let's take the balloon.
No,
Nope.
I'm afraid of heights.
Okay. Me too.
Yeah, me too, by the way.
Yeah. Oh, it must be there somewhere. Yeah, I see them.
On the roof.
Yeah. Oh, they're done fighting now. I'm going for it.
Yeah, one team is dead.
Oh, one is in my gas, behind. In the pit.
Got them all. Got them, homie.
No,
Gotta
dude.
catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all,
Oh
Pokemon.
fuck, I'm not safe here. There's
Oh, still another team
above.
inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, broke one shield. Doing my gas.
Are they in your gas?
Yeah, they're gassing. Oh fuck, I'm gonna die.
Got one.
The other guy's got it.
Oh my god, he's on me! He's there.
I'm gassing him.
He's one.
Gas. Hey, let's kill him with my gas.
Good job, homie.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, homie. Brother
Oh,
from
there's a
another mother.
disruptor inside.
Oh really? Can I? Oh, I'll take that.
Nope.
I'll take that for sure.
Wow, look at my heels. It's so fast.
Look at the dude.
Look at the dude. Oh. Oh, again, one in my gas. Right here.
Where are all the alternators? Oh, here's one.
I just had sex. Oh, one's coming with the loon right there.
Yep.
And it
Right.
felt so good. I just had sex.
After you first. Hold on.
Shield broken on her. Maybe some more shit
Wait a
broken on her.
minute. Who are you?
Damn, she's low. Shorty got low.
Low.
Yeah. I'm shit.
Oh shit. Oh no.
How many are there?
Gotcha, homie. I'm on my way.
2 for sure. I'm dead, guys.
Slippy, go away, run, Slippy.
Oh, the fuck, I got one shot it. On me.
Oh, what?
They're all weak, by the way.
Another one from behind.
Another man.
Nee, fuck.
Where are they?
Alter, so eine heftige
over there.
Scheidung.
Got one.
You're the best. Grab my loot box, there's a purple inside.
Yeah, I can
Go
get
for my
through
shit,
the-
go for my shit, it does not that much damage.
But
I
I'm...
see.
Like, you can heal. Gang echt so weit in die Zone wie kannst du rennen. There's purple shit inside.
Alter, weißt du, so als ich bin draufgegangen? Ja, aus Versehen dreifach Zoom auf der 99er gehabt.
Stay, Slippy, stay!
Statt auf der Longbow. Der grösste Fail ever.
This is gonna be a close one! Ooh!
No! Fuck!
Hey, heal niet, loop einfach in die Zone.
Fuck.
No, you got it.
Ja, wirklich.
I got you, homie. Hold on.
Got him.
Run for your nigga life.
I'm running. Let's go. Thanks.
Running.
You're welcome. Here, take this.
Can you revive me? I wanna loot this shit.
Yo, I got already 6.
Please.
Oh.
Take it again.
Hello. Where are you running,
No.
boys?
Away from
Hello.
you. Harry, nice backpack.
Thanks. How can you see someone else's backpack?
No. You can't. You just know. You know?
Oh. Okay.
Go to your left. Yeah, right there.
It's close. Less than a minute.
I
There's
think I
a blue
can't grab.
Blue
Grab my
body in
shit.
there. Oh, you can. Blue body in there.
You think I can?
No, you never
Kannst du
can.
mir eine Zipline machen, Sven?
Ja,
Da
maybe
oben.
with, yeah,
Hier rauf.
with a zipline.
Hey, zurück zu meinem Schießtrack. Oh no, I've got enough shit in these boxes around here.
Yeah.
Ah, sun's coming though.
Jetzt hast du ein Zipline für rauf.
Yeah, it's just too late to apologize.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna drop some stuff now.
Guys, take my zip line to go into the zone.
Contact with hostile. Shield. Never mind. Shield cell here. Shield cell here. Shield cell here.
Okay, okay.
Phoenix kit here. Those care
Yeah,
packages
just
might
as you
be
know, there's like
in our favor.
a lot of shield cells on me.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Can I get my
Harry, there was
Yeah.
a zip line.
Oh, fuck me.
Wow, you see, I love about him that he's such a good listener.
Placing an independent variable.
Oh, but I'll take this zip line over here.
Move this way.
Okay, you do what you want to do. Oh, there's a loot drop coming down.
Contact with hostile.
Oh, really?
I have a
No.
subject in view. Right here. Contact with target. Extend.
Doolies, doolies, doolies.
Level 3.
Oh, I want to get the loot drop.
I'll be to this location. Moving into a
And someone else took it. There are enemies close.
waiting for loot here. Planning the attack right here. Preparing to defend this area. Observing this area. Surveying for planning the observing this.
Oh no, they didn't take it.
If you need me, I will be defending
Oh, I'm getting shot in the back. Oh, I think it's like the team
Oh,
always
yeah.
on top right there. Like in every
Okay.
game.
Yeah. I'm going here. I'll take the loot drop.
Yeah, let's just play zone. Oh, that's what I thought. Kraber right there.
Yeah.
They're camping inside. The fuck, we're playing normal games, man.
Alright, let's go. I'll snipe one. Hold on. Oh, I sniped him?
And he sniped you.
Yeah, we sniped each other.
We snap.
Nice. Best play, Harry. Best play.
I'm pushing in. Oh, he's in my
Oh,
arm star.
guys.
Come on, Harry.
Enemies on top
Alright.
here.
No scoping him. Hold on.
placing an independent variable. Independent variable added. My vision is clear.
No, let them gas out. Let them gas
That
out.
one?
They're all gonna die. Let's just wait here. Let's just wait. Let's just wait, Harry, please.
No, he's reviving.
Let's
He's...
wait.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah,
just
he
wait.
was-
Let's
Guys,
just wait.
guys,
Yeah.
guys, another team is pushing us.
Okay.
He was reviving him.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. They all died. My shit.
They're close. They're there. Enemies there. Right next to us.
I wanna grab the crate.
He's one shot.
I'm behind.
Got one. Got
Thanks.
another one. Oh, last one here. Last one.
Oh no, he's low. He's low.
Got him.
Oh, got him.
Got him. Oh, I got the whole team.
No
out.
stop 360.
That's so funny. Oh, I have a Kraber too.
Great
Oh, no,
up.
it's a Spitfire.
Got him.
Got
You
him.
are the Apex champions.
Oh, I'm an Apex champion.
No, I am.
Well, I. Oh,
Nice.
9 kills. Let's go.
Yeah.
Nice, guys, nice.
Oh, yes.
Guys, come on. 3 kills, 1000 damage. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
Nice.
Come on, Harry.
Come on.
Nice.
Noise. Noise.
Nice.
Make some noise.
Oh. Mm. Good shit.
Oh, mamma.
Mamma mia.
Mamma. Papa poker face, papa poker face.
Poker face,
Mamma.
Well, I guess 3 people out. I'm the best with caustic. And Harry tried to steal my kills. He even got one, I think. Little cucaracha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready and excited.
The All-Father will gift us today.
I'm fix op.
Ja.
Ladest du dir noch zusammen ab heute?
Nee.
Hast du keinen Bock?
Nee.
Schade.
Vielleicht ein bisschen. Geht's langsam abladen? Nee, that's us.
Wahrscheinlich schon.
Ah.
I was the champion, you saw that?
Yeah, but I have more damage than you.
Fucking kill stealer.
Yeah.
I'm always a champion. However what? Bunker?
Oh, or we want to go ship?
A ship? Yeah, ship's also good.
Yeah, shape.
Supply ship over there. Okay.
Do a backflip.
Nice.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Oh, golden body shield.
There was purple on top, I think. Oh, you got one in midair?
Yeah.
You dropped down? Okay, I'm coming too.
No one dropped into this
I dropped.
fucking ship.
Ja, das ganze Team kommt.
Ja, aber niemand ist ins Schiff
Oh, there's
hineingegangen.
one on me.
Coming, I've got the Mozambique. Oh yeah, I
Oh.
see him. I got him.
Oh.
One more.
Guys,
went
I'm
to
so
clone.
far away.
Oh, he's fuck. Oh, he. What?
The
Did he
fuck
steal
is
my
this
kill?
weapon? I did, yeah. I did.
Oh.
With the Mozambique, I did 15
Oh,
damage.
really?
Yeah, I sniped him with the
You
Mozambique.
fucker.
Can I get another
You
weapon?
little,
Thank you.
you little cucaracha.
Taking a moment to heal.
Let's go market, blue zone. We're so good equipped.
Did you know that the EVA 8 is not that bad? It's actually
Oh,
pretty
you
good.
sure?
It depends, yeah. Like for long distance, it's not that good.
Sorry, Olli.
Well,
God, this is looting.
Olli looked the stream
Oh, people here,
tatsächlich.
people here, people here.
People here.
People right here.
yeah, okay, I'm on.
Oh, out there! Out there! What?
They died! Run away!
I'm dead. I died.
I never
got the
died.
banners.
I never died so fast before. Oh.
I died.
I got lasered.
I died.
Fucking
Like a
alternator.
little cucaracha.
Alright, where are they?
Oh,
Are they
all
easy?
wrong. Give me sight.
Oh!
Oh, nice play, Harry.
I got lasered! Oh, there were two. I already
They
thought
was-
so.
It was 3, actually.
No, there were two guys shooting at me.
No, it
I
was
thought
just
only-
one. Just
was-
one
No, it
shot.
was
Just
no.
one shot.
If
Yes.
two people.
Ich würde es gerne
Yes.
sagen, er hat
The raid and
chillt.
the Bangalore.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
They were both shooting at me. I already thought so. I was getting lasered, but it's because there were two shooting at me.
Really?
Yeah. Jawohl, mijn vriend. Actually, I do want the Bloodhound skin. Bloodhunter.
Oh, yeah, the one from the event?
Yeah.
I got
I'm thinking
that.
I'm gonna play Bloodhound some more.
No, he's not bad.
Only his ult sucks. I can't see anything when in
No,
his-
you don't.
his
You
ult comes.
just use your ult for like if you want to run away.
Yeah?
Yeah, don't use it for fighting. It's fucking bullshit.
Oh.
And everyone hears you when it's active. So
I like it to fight with the ultimate.
I think we're going to do great, friend.
I don't. Oh, I want to pick something fun.
The All Father will gift us today.
This guy.
Ready for this? I am so ready for this. I am extremely ready for this. Are we ready?
My rich.
My rich? What the hell?
My rage.
This is your champion.
Harriet. That's you. Nope. We're going airbase or ship? Ship? Let's go ship, then skull. Or skull, then ship.
Yeah.
Better lies below.
Jo, ik vind het downloaden voor alpha-version.
Is nog niet mal een beta-version?
Nee, is alpha.
Da wird es auch hure viel Bugs, Fehler haben. Und hure viel OP-Shit.
Es geht, es ist im Verhältnis zu sonst im Fall schon hure gut. Haben alle gesagt, also es hat schon Leute gegeben, die gespielt. Und ich merke, es
Ich will
ist...
so Streamer können spielen. Oh, I got a golden P2020.
Oh, nice.
But out of a robot, that's strange.
But it's possible.
Really? Of a golden robot?
I didn't know
And
that
that counts,
either.
that counts. Oh, there wasn't even blue zone, the fuck? I need a backpack.
Guys, I wanna fight.
Oh, they're close, they're close.
On me.
Fuck, I'm on my phone. They're really
Oh yeah.
close.
One
the
is on
roof.
top.
Is he on
Yeah.
my
Alright,
roof?
let's go on the roof. Let's go on the roof.
On this roof.
Oh, he's close to me too.
Yeah,
I'm
there's
not
another
touching
one. Oh shit! What? What? Guys, what's going on today?
I don't know.
Ow.
He just... Oh my god.
Oh, I'm dead too. But Octane's one shot.
Yeah, fuck. How is that possible?
He's the
People
best
moving
player.
so fucking fast.
Yeah, he had fucking 13,000 kills.
Yeah. He lasered me with a fucking wingman.
Oh, these tryhards. Okay, Mirage is not that fun.
Ah, einer spielt schon, was streamt, Alter.
Nice.
Hä, wo kann man jetzt das fucking Game runterladen, Mann?
Welch brauchst du Code? Braucht man Code? Weil es heisst ja COD.
Ah, ja, es gefunden.
Im Store?
Ja, voll.
I accept the challenge.
Oh.
Mine are made of steel.
Introducing your champion.
Oh. Supply ship.
Supply.
Supply ship over there.
Jump, fucker.
No, I'm not jumper. I'm not jumper.
Dude.
I'm on the phone. Kiss me,
Oh
do
my
this.
god.
Oh fuck, you're all... Oh, you jumped. Fuck.
Yeah. And he's in combat.
No.
No fucking guy on me.
Must go faster.
No, fucking. No, don't tell me this is happening again. Yeah, every time I'm standing on the ground, it says return to battle. For fuck's sake, what's that?
Oh, again?
Yeah, man.
Good luck.
Yeah, don't revive me. Fuck the game. It's full of bugs.
Look at the map.
Nice.
It's just you and me, friend. Let's not die.
Don't revive me, it doesn't work. When I get revived, I get the same. If I hit the ground, it says return to the battlefield.
No, maybe it'll work this time.
No,
Was
it
happened?
didn't work.
Eyes on the new.
Ich checke immer noch nicht, was ist passiert.
Ja, das letzte Mal, als ich mit dem Game Timer so einen Bug hatte, dass er immer hat bekommen, Return to Battle und dann hast du einfach verreckt.
Was?
Weißt du, im Boden gewesen? Ja.
Nein.
Oh.
Ja, können wir es
Ja,
Because
probieren?
Yeah.
it's because your internet's fucking shit, man.
Oh, go fuck yourself, it's not my internet.
Yes, it is.
Ja, fix, du können wir probieren oder nicht?
ja, wir probieren es.
Body shield here. Level 2.
Bist du schon der? Ah nein, wir haben keine Chance, das längt niemals. Oder längt? Hat es einen Jump Tower?
Ja, hier geht's.
Also nicht mehr. Das ist wirklich busy. Oh. Umschuss werden, you can do it. Längt's dir? Lade ich negativ ab.
Oh, I'm not sure.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
No,
No.
Three.
no, fuck.
Don't revive me, don't. Oh,
it-
good job.
Oh, fuck off. Es ist so knapp
No.
gewesen.
No, it's good. If you revive me, I have the same, so I can't do fuck.
No, maybe there's still hope. No, maybe they fixed that.
Rings right there.
No, they didn't.
Just in your head,
Maybe they
dude.
did. Yeah, you're fucking weak.
Oh, fuck you
See the
both.
map? We're spread out quite far.
I'm gonna watch Sleepy, by the way. He's
Yeah,
not
I'm
really
doing
good.
a lot of amazing parkour right here. You see this?
Amazing
Yeah.
parkour.
No, I'm looking Sleepy. 360
And why?
shit.
Wow,
I'm
yeah.
doing amazing parkour shit. You think I can make that jump?
30 seconds remain. The ring
No, I
is
can't.
high.
Maybe from this angle.
No, you can't.
Nope. I suck at parkour.
Fix du hörst ihn aber oder nicht?
Oh, I hear a purple robot.
Yes, me too. Wow. Wow.
Oh, that's fucking amazing.
Level 3.
Nice robot.
Oh, dude, come on.
Ist das alles gelootet? Das, wenn... Ah, nein.
Gar nichts, Alter, gar nichts. Aber überleben schlägler.
Ah, damn, I love this game so much.
Mid range.
It's so fun when you can play. Like,
Gotta hop up here. Select fire.
people close to me.
Attention.
Yeah, right there.
Here.
Care package.
I think they are closer to me.
You dead.
Fire, friends.
Whoa,
You
that's
got
eight,
lasered.
Sleepy. That's 8 Sleepy. Oh,
Yeah.
you too. Oh, wat een.
Ist noch mal noch einer?
Ja. Also wenn du einen schnackt, ja.
Ja, ich habe einen. Wo ist er?
Geht hängen da in dieser Box. Unten dran. Hängen dir jetzt. Da unten dran.
Here, under you, under you.
The fuck?
Under the stairs.
Right there? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Hello there.
Oh, Sleepy, your aim was like so steady. How did you do that? Heck.
I just played.
Golden stabilizer.
But the second kill, it was the same problem.
Oh yeah.
I hit all my shots.
mein Schatz, ich liebe dich, du bist die
Ich
einzige.
liebe
Oh
dich.
no, 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 no.
Fuck off.
Das ist mies, ich hatte die falsche Waffe.
Ja.
Oh, one of the guys we just killed added me to sent me a message. I think he's mad.
What?
Noob. He texted me noob. Wow, what a legend.
Did he say that to you?
Yeah, he sent me a message with noob. I wanna text him back.
Oh,
I had a lot of that people. Oh, I had a lot of that people that were saying stuff like that to me when I was playing Fortnite. All those little
Really?
kids.
I have a lot of
Yeah.
them in Apex. Wait,
A lot of
I
people
need
did
to text.
that in Fortnite.
Jealous now here. I kill you. Haha.
was hast du mir jetzt geschrieben?
I killed you. Haha.
The map says not all of us are inside the next
You're a nice guy.
R99 here.
Als je game moet je ook erbij nachschauen. Goed die Nacht. Madame. Oh, die goed. Okay, I'm back. Guess who's back? Da 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 da. It's the
It's the
motherfucker.
one and only double G.
Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da.
Do you remember
Go
with
around
the
with the
D-R-E?
D-R-E.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the stuff, man.
Hello guys. Oh shit.
Achtung, kommt noch mal einer rein.
Ich weiß.
Komm.
Ich muss droppen
Gang
schnell.
nicht runter.
Mal.
Wait a minute.
Oh, I dropped.
How I survived this shit.
You.
Oh, he's revived. One's reviving.
Hello. Hello guys.
Oh, guys, you're so. Get down, man! Don't push! Oh, bro, you're going.
Oh no, he's also.
Oh, come on.
Go!
Okay, they're dead and gone. And oh, I've been traveling on this road too long, trying to find my way back home. Only is dead and gone, yeah.
Harry, why did I play with you?
Why?
Harry, look at that snipe.
I got 5 kills.
Ready?
Without you,
Oh, no.
I got only 2.
Missed.
Mostly.
Oh,
Ready inside the ring.
yeah, I don't know, man.
Oh, that's right there.
Ja, willst du jetzt snipen, nicht pushen, oder was?
Nein, es sind 3 Teams sogar. Fuck's he doing? Da kein Shield mit der Pan.
Ja, scheißegal.
Shit.
Ja, kein Sniper und nichts.
Ist jeder hinterher wie der? Ich mache schnell ein bisschen Trickshots. Ich probiere es einfach no zu scopen von hier.
Fix, hast du noch ein bisschen Schildbatterien?
Ja, 4. Brauchst du?
Ja, kenne ich.
Ich will das brüderlich aufteilen.
Oh, fuck. Hä? Alter, kannst du sie wieder... Eigentlich kannst du wieder nehmen. Es war ein Bug gewesen.
Wegen?
Im Inventar habe ich, aber es hat mir keine angezeigt.
Ja.
Nein, schon.
Ich brauche aber Schild zu allen. Ich habe Nummer 2. Ich kann mal schauen da oben.
Shield cell here.
Bias.
Ja, gefunden.
Dude,
Wie Heavy Ammo was ich auch noch. Ich
I wanna fight.
Crazy Snipes machen.
Nein, mach jetzt nicht Crazy Snipes, wenn ich einen Sniper habe, du Muschi.
Stell es eine auf.
Ja, einfach...
Oder... Fuck, schießen die auf dich?
Nein.
Warte, wir jetzt Zipline über machen. Ich werde die gleich schlägeln.
There's a golden dead box down underneath you. No, right.
Einer ist unter mir noch.
There, yeah, left. There. There's the golden dead box.
Yeah, but there's one enemy below me.
Oh, he's next to you.
Oh shit! Oh no! Oh, fucking box.
Wait a minute! How are you?
Down. Charging shield.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Oh, I don't wanna drop. Oh shit.
he came away. Hacker. Do yourself real quick.
He's one shot. I want to punch him. Look at this.
Down one.
Ben
No,
bitch.
he's going to die.
I'm back.
Also komm helfen.
Wo?
I just got one, Joe.
Hanna.
I feel like Joe car, by the way.
Wer?
That was him. Ja, das geht noch nicht.
Da hinten ist auch einer gewesen.
Robot. And oh, I've been driving on this road long, too long. Trying to find my way back home. Oh, fuck, I don't even see him. Oh, he's purple body shit.
Let's go crazy till we see the sun.
Oh shit!
Shield broken on him. Oh, the fuck? That was a headshot.
Alter, der hittet alles.
He's fighting now.
Ja, let's go.
Terug af, Sven. Terug op stag.
Throw arc stars inside.
Hello, Dan.
Gotcha!
Oh, fuck, that was behind me.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Let's see how we team
Sleepy,
starts,
man.
Sven. Or nee?
I think so.
Sleepy is reviving. Oh no, he's...
Oh shit. No.
Sleepy, man, what the fuck is your aim? It's so fucking good. Unbelievable.
But I can't get 2000 damage.
No, but your aim is really good, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, but you just suck.
Sometimes.
But your aim is
Just
really
sometimes.
good.
Yeah, your aim is really good.
But you're just fucking garbage. But your aim is really good, man. Oh, I get to open a pack.
Man muss es schon anschauen, das Aim jetzt so gut.
Nice.
Aber beim Timmy ist es schon runtergeladen, so gross ist es nicht.
Okay. You wanna play
Sleepy.
one more, or are we going to bed?
I can
one
play
last-
one more. Sleepy,
One
what
last
aim are you...
game.
Sleepy, with what sensitivity are you playing?
I think 5, but I'm not sure. Yes, 5 and 5.
Yeah.
I'm playing 8 and 8.
Really? No, shut up. you
Oh,
don't.
he's
No.
playing 2 and 2.
Yeah. Every time I see him like make a 360, it
Yeah,
takes
you
him
can see
an
my
hour before it.
360s, man.
Yeah, it takes a fucking
They're
hour
so
before
fast.
it.
They're so fucking fast. I can't handle these fucking sticks on a controller. I can't play with this shit, so I have a low sensitivity.
He's playing with the mouse.
Yeah.
Just that you know, Harry.
Yeah.
Let's sing something. What can we sing?
I want it.
We can sing this.
Break a leg. Mine are made of steel. Cross your senses, and victory will follow.
Oh, skull, blue zone.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Or supply ship.
Yeah, and then you get the same error as before. And no, I don't think so.
I go supply ship and then fall down into skull town.
Like before.
You know?
That run was so fun for you, right?
Oh, golden. See ya, nigga. Now I go down.
Wow. What a dude.
Look at this dude.
Look at this dude. The fuck, what are your shields, man? Oh.
What?
Dat is voor dit ene.
What? Nee, je hebt me verklikt. Je hebt het schild wel markeren, te wijzen.
Harry, you need some help?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, coming.
The fuck? Oh my god, what's happening? My aim is so weird now. Get him, get him, get him. Help me, please, guys.
Yeah, look at the map, I'm coming.
I'm going there. There's something wrong with my aim. I've changed it to fine aim or something, but it's really weird now. He's going to finish me.
What
so-
do you change?
Yeah, respawn curve.
Got one?
Oh, I know it. That's so weird. I had the same problem
what does
before.
What do you use? Classic or
I got
steady?
these guys. I don't know what I got before, but it wasn't
You want a
classic.
Phoenix kit, Harry?
Yeah.
Too bad I don't have one.
Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, man. What do you use now? Steady or fine aim or classic?
I don't know what I'm playing with.
Was je alternator? Had je alternator?
What? Didn't I have any
One-
kills?
one and-
I knocked two.
Wait.
Yeah,
Go
they
there,
just
go there.
revived.
Come here.
I think there are enemies.
Dan komt even random heen en vliegt drüber.
Oh, here, left of us.
Oh, ze zijn bij die eens genoeg.
Is dat geil?
Even blijven glippen rennen. Oh, nee, dat doen we.
Harry, do we... Oh yes, you got enemies. Harry from behind.
Okay.
On the left side, another team.
Oh, fuck, dude. I broke a shield.
Alter, ich brauche Schildbatterien.
Ja, nur eine. Für eine auf mehr kannst du haben.
Moment to recharge my shield.
Oh, merci.
Recharging shield.
Charging up my shield. I'm taking fire.
Got another one. What the fuck? It's so many people here. Guys, who the fuck are you?
I'm coming, sorry.
There are like four people here.
Oh yeah, right there, another team.
Yeah, after you first now. Seriously, there's like a lot of players there. Be careful. I knocked one.
I think from the left side.
I knocked the lifeline, so...
Yeah, come with me, boy.
Oh, she's finished. There's the dead box.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, you got him? Okay.
I'm lasering. Ah, on top, guys, on top.
Yeah. Let's just loot up real quick. They're not coming down.
You're welcome.
Oh,
I need
battery,
shields.
battery. Yeah, me too.
I don't have one.
I changed my shield. It's empty.
Ja, hier ist das Volk Violet.
I got a golden...
Eigentlich dropped. Jungs, drop.
I got a golden flatline though. Okay, got the last one. Don't take a shit, please. No, dude, don't be like that. Drop that. I
Go ahead.
seriously drop that.
Fix
Drop
what?
that. No.
What's Violetta
No,
cup?
not that one. I'm seriously. I'm gonna fucking throw if you do that. Drop it.
Okay.
Guys, where was...
Please drop that stuff. Dude, no, I don't want that. Drop the fucking
Fuck you.
golden backpack.
No, I'm not
Here.
giving it back.
Give me the fucking golden backpack.
Yeah, drop me yours first. I don't trust you.
What the fuck? Here are your stuff.
Gotta hop up here. Skull piercer.
Oh, guys.
What do you think is over here?
You bitch.
You're
stole that
seriously
from me.
one big fucker. That's what you
No,
are. You know that, right?
You stole it from me, man.
Go fuck yourself. Oh my god, dude!
How do we want to throw with Bloodhound?
I'm going to carry you this game, so...
Level 2. Taking a moment to recharge my shield.
By the way,
I
I
don't
got a
know.
goal.
Hey,
I got
let's
a
go
golden
fight
flatline.
some more.
Yeah, I got
Let's
a
go
golden
fight. Oh, can I have
flatline.
it? Can I have it? You want it?
No.
You're playing it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go fight them. Yeah, I've got that one too.
Oh, there's people right of me. Let's
Oh,
go.
really?
Let's go.
On you? What the hell?
On me.
In the fucking store?
Yeah, man. He's one shot. And I got him.
Dude.
Where's his team though? Thank you. Oh, right
Yeah.
there's his team.
Marking our surroundings.
Where's the teammate?
Got Gibraltar?
Oh, he got him. Oh yeah, I see him.
Let's punch the last guy, let's punch him.
He's coming
I don't even
inside.
know where the last guy is.
He's coming
He's
inside the
coming
house.
inside.
Where? Oh, there, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
we
let's
got
punch
each
him.
other. We got each other.
Oh, that was the champion spot?
Oh, from behind me.
know.
I need help.
You like it from behind.
I got pushed.
You got
Yes,
some
I like
syringes,
it.
Yeah, I got syringes.
Nice.
Are we getting pushed, by the way?
Yeah. Let's run the other way. I have the launch pad.
Yes.
Let's run around here.
Why are we not no, let's not fight that. Okay, hold on. We can fight them if we
Oh,
out of the
we can
storm.
go back now. I think they did. I think we were going this way.
Yeah. Oh, I see them. Yeah.
I'm going up here.
One shield's broke.
No, fuck me. Okay, we're back. I'm safe.
No, I got. I'm knocked.
How many are there?
I
You have to
don't
hurry
know.
up because they're finishing me right now.
I deserve the credit.
Bro, hurry up. Yeah, okay, it's late. Should have fight them way earlier.
Okay, I think I'm going to bed.
Yes, me too. Harry, do you play Call of Duty?
Yeah, I do, man. But Call of Duty, the last Call of Duty I have on my Xbox. But I'm playing the remastered sometimes.
But now you
Modern
can
Warfare.
you can download the new one, the alpha version, for
What?
free.
What can I download?
The new Call of Duty.
Where can I download it?
On the store. Just Modern Warfare.
The new one.
Yes.
Which one is it? Modern Warfare 3?
No, just Modern Warfare.
Yeah, remastered. I already have that.
No, not remastered, just Modern Warfare.
Fucking Harry's retard.
Yeah, but the name's weird.
What the fuck are you talking about? Hold on.
Ro-
Yeah, Call of Duty Modern Warfare from the old one, you know that, right?
No, that's not the old one, dude.
Is Call of Duty Modern Warfare? Yeah, you got an old one. An old Call of Duty Modern Warfare.
It's not the old one.
Okay, where can I download the new one?
Just search Modern Warfare in the storm. I think it's the
It's
second.
2v2.
It's 2v2.
Modern.
Ja, Alpha-Version. Anscheinend.